Hi guys, this is Nikki and I'll be showing you what's inside the ZV-1 or the Sony ZV-1 camera. So I actually ordered this one last July 26 and it arrived like August 8. This is a pre-order and I ordered this one at Colors Ayala. So it was like 43,000 pesos for pre-orders. So I think this is already like 45,000 right now. So let's open the box. Let's just pretend that I did not unbox this. All right. So this is the box. This is one medium-sized box. Okay. This is the front. This is. And by the way, what's inside the box are this: the camera itself, the grip, and also this battery. But this too, no. These are the recommended accessories for ZV-1. So, when you open the box, it has two small boxes here. Yes. The big box is it has the camera and this small is the grip. So let's see what's inside this box. Right. Okay, this one is the box for camera. This is the side. Alright. So first is the manual, of course. Manual. And next is this one, the camera. So it's very, very small. It's very handy. And by just like flipping this one or like this, it will gonna automatically open the lens and ready to shot. You can flip it, so like that, and you can see your face from there. Okay, alright. So when you close it, it will also automatically gonna close the lens and it will turn off. So this is the Sony ZV-1. Here, this is on. There's mode. This one is for video. This one is for video. This one is for zoom in, zoom out, for wide, or for focusing the person or a place. And here, this one are the, like if you wanna connect this one to a phone or to a computer so that you can view all the pictures. This one, this is a zoom out, zoom in also. And this one is a speaker. So Sony ZV-1 is, the audio is really good. So you don't need to buy a microphone or a microphone for this. But the built-in microphone is really good already. So that's it. And it has like a connector if you're gonna charge the camera. I actually put this one here, but I bought this one at Henry's. Extra battery, it's 2,000 I think, I forgot. So we're done with the first box. Let's move on to the next one. What's inside this? Oh, this is the grip. Yeah, this is the freebies. The camera comes with 64 gigabyte memory card and this one, the grip. Right, so nothing more. So all you're gonna do is just to connect this one this small thing here to the camera, and you can just there's photo, there's a video, so you can just use this one instead of clicking the camera body or whatever. You can just zoom in, zoom out here, and also you can just, or you can use this as a stand, or what do you call that one, tripod or whatever. But it's very useful. And you can also do this, you can also use this as a hand, what do you call that one, yeah, it's really comfy to use this when you are taking videos or vlog, rather than using the body. So this one is very helpful. So what's inside the box is the camera, the grip. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you that it comes with, where is the, I forgot, a wind reduction, where is it? Oh my goodness, I forgot. Where did I put it? Oh, here. So it comes with this one. So if you're gonna put this one out, if you're gonna put this one in your camera, this will gonna reduce the air and the wind, so your audio will be like, it will only recognize your voice, not the wind or the background noises. So it's also helpful, and I use this when I'm vlogging. This one, and the camera, perfect match. So I highly recommend Sony ZV-1 to all people that are planning to buy a camera, or to those people that are like started vlogging. So this one is really a good choice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.